What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to explore the all-new Sonos Five, a wireless hi-fi speaker that promises to revolutionize the way we experience music and more in our homes. As someone who's passionate about great sound, I was excited to dive in and see what this speaker has to offer. From the moment I unboxed it, I knew I was in for a treat. The sleek design, the intuitive interface, and of course, the sound quality. Everything about the Sonos Five screams premium. One of the standout features of the Sonos Five is its deep bass. The acoustic design features 3 high-excursion woofers within a sealed architecture that eliminates reverb and echo, giving you a rich, immersive sound experience. But what does this mean for you, the user? It means you get to enjoy your favorite music with depth and clarity like never before. Whether you're a fan of hip-hop, electronic, or classical music, the Sonos Five's deep bass will make you feel like you're right there in the recording studio. I put this to the test by playing some of my favorite tracks, and I was blown away by the level of detail and nuance the speaker was able to produce. Another key feature of the Sonos Five is its ultra-wide soundstage. 2 precisely angled side tweeters create spatial extension and rich stereo sound, while a center tweeter optimizes vocal playback. This means that when you're listening to your favorite song, you'll feel like you're surrounded by sound. The vocals will be clear and crisp, the instruments will be distinct and nuanced, and the overall effect will be nothing short of breathtaking. I was amazed by how well the Sonos Five was able to recreate the sense of space and atmosphere in the music I was listening to. It's like having your own private concert, right in the comfort of your own home. But what really sets the Sonos Five apart is its smart stereo sound capability. When you place a single speaker horizontally, you get stereo sound. But when you pair 2 speakers in an upright position, each automatically adjusts to mono, giving you even more detailed stereo separation and an even wider soundstage. This is a game changer for anyone who loves music and wants to experience it in the best possible way. I paired 2 Sonos Fives together and was blown away by the level of detail and immersion the speakers were able to produce. It was like being transported to a different world, one where the only thing that mattered was the music. The Sonos Five also features a 3.5mm line-in port, which allows you to connect your turntable, CD player, or other device directly to the speaker. This is a great feature for anyone who still loves listening to music on physical media, or who wants to connect their speaker to a wider range of devices. I connected my turntable to the Sonos Five and was amazed by the warm, rich sound that filled the room. It was like experiencing my favorite records in a whole new way. In conclusion, the Sonos Five is an incredible piece of technology that is sure to revolutionize the way we experience music and more in our homes. With its deep bass, ultra-wide soundstage, smart stereo sound capability, and line-in port, this speaker has something for everyone. Whether you're a music lover, a tech enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates great sound, the Sonos Five is definitely worth checking out. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Sonos Five today and discover a whole new world of sound. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. The Sonos Five is an investment in your listening experience, and it's one that will pay dividends for years to come. So go ahead, take the plunge, and experience